In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can update your password with confidence. One quick note before we start. If your organization signs in to Slack using a single sign-on provider like Google or Microsoft, you may not see a password option in Slack. In that case, your password is managed elsewhere, and you'll need to follow your company's process. If you sign in to Slack with an email and password, this walkthrough is for you. First, open Slack and make sure you're on the home view where your channels and direct messages are listed. Look down at the bottom left corner of the Slack window. You'll see your profile photo or initials along with your name and workspace. Click that area to open your profile menu. From the menu, choose Profile to bring up your profile panel. In the profile panel, look for the three dots icon, often labeled More or showing additional actions. Click those three dots to reveal more options related to your account. Next, select Account Settings. Slack will open your account settings in your default web browser. That's normal. Password changes happen on the web, so Slack can securely handle your credentials. On the Account Settings page, scroll until you find the Password section. If it's collapsed, click to expand it so you can see the fields you need. You may be asked to verify that it's you. If so, follow the on-screen prompt. Start by entering your current password. This confirms that you're the account owner and helps prevent unauthorized changes. Then, type your new password. Choose something strong and unique, ideally a passphrase with a mix of words, numbers, and symbols. A password manager can generate and store this for you so you don't have to memorize it. Keep an eye out for any requirements set by your workspace, such as minimum length or character rules, and make sure your new password meets them. When everything looks good, click Save Password. Slack will process the update and should confirm that your password has been changed. In some cases, you might be signed out from other devices for security reasons, so be prepared to sign back in using your new password on your phone or any other computers you use. That's it. You opened your profile, went to Account Settings, expanded the Password section, entered your current and new passwords, and saved the change. Thanks for watching. And if this helped, consider keeping that new password safe in a trusted password manager so it stays secure and easy to use.